will show you how the eyes really work. This is the gamma eye. It comes with a laptop with the pre-installed software, and all you have to do is place it on a desk. This is all the room you need, with an anesthesia workstation, and have a complete experimental setup. See a complete experiment step by step. So by opening the laptop, you see the home screen, and you just choose the system you are going to work with. Now the gamma eye.
You then import all your experimental parameters. So the isotope that you are going to image, the injected activity, and the injected volume. You can also add any further comments that you like. Then the most important parameters, you fill in the total duration of your experiment and how often you need each frame to be saved.
And by just pressing finish, the bed comes out. So we place the mouse on the animal bed. We turn the anesthesia to the gamma eye system. Isofluorescent heating are provided. You have placed the animal on the bed and you have imported all the parameters. You can do the injection before starting the acquisition, so you can have time 0 and the first blood flow. So I will do the injection and then start the imaging. So now I can put the mouse on the system and start the acquisition. When the mouse is inside, you can just press play and immediately you will start seeing the image of your mouse.
On the left-hand side, you can see dynamically all the photons being recorded every few seconds. You can also see the anatomical fusion with a mouse photograph, the progress bar of each frame, and the progress bar of the whole study right on the bottom of your image. When each frame is completed, it is transferred to the right-hand side, where all the successive frames are summed to create a cumulative image of higher statistics.
When the acquisition is over, a message pops up and you can just press exit and retrieve your mouse.
Then you can immediately load all your acquired data in the post-processing platform. You see all the successive frames, and in the end, the sum of all the frames. You can play with the contrast to better see your organs. And then you can start drawing your regions of interest. You draw each ROI, you add it to the ROI manager, you rename it, and immediately on the right-hand side, you can see the time kinetics curves that apply to each individual frame. You can continue with the ROIs of interest as before. Then you can play with the contrast to better see regions that have a very low uptake, like the heart here. Draw again as before and add it to the ROI manager. By the end of your ROIs, you immediately see the activity per organ in kilobecquerels for each organ that you have drawn. You can play with the dataset, save all the frames in DICOM format or any other format, and export all your data in an Excel form.
So this is how easy it is to work with the eyes, get live images, and obtain the activity per organ right by the end of your experiment.